that's a warning, I think. That's Chris Gayle's way of... What is Chris Gayle doing?
And Chris Gayle, he is an entertainer, isn't he? He went down in instalments on that occasion,
His reaction. He's loving it.
I think one of the pluses of the West Indies winning a championship is that no one in world cricket celebrates like they do. It's quite unique. As I said before, you don't want to be at the hotel later on.
Last minute. Graham Smith stops Chris Gayle.
Two, just ripped it in quick from around the wicket. We thought he might get a couple.
He is a classic, but a real character.
Gone. Gayle gets his second wicket.
You want me to speak on the camera?
Well, you're on camera already.
The big man, Chris Gayle, has delivered on the big stage.